If you want to change the DPI settings on your Motorola smartphone, first of all, we can go to settings, and usually DPI can be adjusted by going to display settings, and you can find display size and text or something similar. And then we can move left and right on the display size in order to adjust the DPI. However, you can also manually adjust the DPI, and to do so we need to enable developer options first. So we're gonna go to about phone, and then in here go to device identifiers. Keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see this message that you are now a developer. Now let's go back and choose system settings. Once you go to system settings, you should be able to find developer options in here, and now we need to keep scrolling down until you find the option that is called smallest width. There we go. Now in this case, the lower the number is, the bigger everything will be on the phone, and there are some limits most of the time, so you can type for example 300 and then everything should be much bigger. In this case, the limit is 320, and you can make everything smaller by providing bigger numbers, like let's say 600. This allows you to make everything much smaller on your phone. And you want to be careful with these values. You don't really want to enter, for example, like a really high number, because it can mess up some things and it might be quite difficult to revert these changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.